Welcome to the YouTube channel Physics Theories and Numericals, where we are providing you high quality videos for easy and joyful understanding of physics theories and concepts for life. Once you understand the theories, handling of numerical will be easy. Also welcome you to this best MCQ series video for formation of image by a lens. We have designed this best MCQ series videos with lot of care. Here we are providing you high quality MCQs. In fact, we will be starting from very fundamental level and we will be moving on to more difficult MCQs. With each and every MCQs, we are giving you explanations so that you can refresh your concept and strengthen them. More than a video, this is a mock test. Here with each and every MCQs, we are providing you timer so that you can put up your thoughts. You can choose your option before we take you to our answer. This is a very high learning quantity versus time ratio for this video. Here this will be around 20-minute video and we are providing you 17 MCQs in this. So if you calculate, you will find the learning quantity versus time is very high. So we would suggest you to go through the entire video and enjoy the high quality MCQs. Under best MCQ series videos for CBSE class 10, we have already uploaded 6 videos. For spherical mirror, the uploaded videos are on concept MCQs, numerical MCQs and ray diagram MCQs. For normal reflection, it is on concept MCQs and numerical MCQs. And for lens, it is refraction through lens. We will give you the links of this video in the description box so that you can go through the videos if you have not already gone through. This video is for formation of image by a lens. Here we will be using the standard symbol that you use in your book, that you get in your book. That is O for optical center, C for center of curvature, A for focus, small r for radius of curvature, small f for focal length, U, V and M, they are for object distance, image distance and magnification respectively. Here comes the first MCQ, in fact 2 MCQs together. So 2 ray diagrams have been given under figure 1 and figure 2. You need to identify the type of lens. You have got 10 seconds time. Easy one. Get your answer. Your time starts now. Time's up. Hope you got your answer. Let's see the answer. The first one is concave lens. You can see this is a diverging lens. So it is a concave lens. The second one is a converging lens. So it will be a convex lens. Next MCQ. Which lens can form a real and inverted image? 4 options, 5 seconds time. Easy one. Do it quickly. Time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. Only convex lens can form a real and inverted image. Only convex lens. Nobody else. Only convex lens can form a real and inverted image. In fact, concave mirror also can. Okay, right. Just keep in mind. Among lens, only convex lens can form a real and inverted image. Which lens? The image will always be erect and upright. Only concave, only convex, none both. 5 seconds time. Time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is only concave lens. So concave lens can form only erect and upright image, and the image it forms, it will be virtual and diminished also. This is a specific property for concave lens. The image formed will always be virtual, always be diminished and always be upright. Next MCQ. When does a concave lens form a magnified image? 4 options given about the position of the object. When does a concave lens form a magnified image? 10 seconds time. Time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. Never. Just in the previous MCQ we discussed that in concave lens always forms a diminished image. So it will never form a magnified image. Next MCQ. Here 4 incident rays have been given and 4 refracted rays have been given. You need to match them. You need to match them from the options given. A ray parallel to principal axis. Second, a ray passing through optical center. A ray passing through focus. A ray making an angle theta with the principal axis at the optical center. Refracted razor will remain undeviated, will make the same angle at the same point with the principal axis, will pass through the focus and will become parallel to the principal axis. You have to join the sentences, incident ray and refracted ray. Your time is 20 seconds. Timer starts now. If you think you require more time, do take your time, pause the video, do your workings, come back to your answer, then come back to the video. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The right option is option D. Let's understand it. We have done the color matching for the rays, for the sentences. A ray parallel to principal axis will pass through focus. A ray passing through the optical center will remain undeviated. A ray passing through focus will become parallel to the principal axis, and a ray makes an angle theta with the principal axis. It will make the same angle at optical center with the principal axis. So your option is option D. Hope you are liking this video. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment on the video, and also press the bell icon. Let's continue. Next MCQ. Match the position of image for a convex lens. A list of positions have been given under position of the object, and a list of positions have been given for position of the image, which will be on the other side, of course. So you need to match the positions. You have to choose it. You have to choose from the options given. 20 seconds time. Time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option D. Let's do the arrow marking. So if the object is at infinity, the image will be at focus. If the object is at center of curvature, image also will be at center of curvature. If it is beyond C, it will be between focus and center of curvature. If it is between C and F, it will be beyond C on the other side. If the object is at focus, image will be at infinity, and if the object is between optical center and focus, it will be a virtual image. So your option is option D. Next MCQ. For which position of the object in front of a convex lens, the image will be a virtual image? 4 positions given. You have got 10 seconds time. Time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is between optical center and focus. So if the object is between optical center and focus for a convex lens, the image will be a virtual image. Next MCQ. Here 3 positions of the object has been given for a convex lens. You need to find out the position of the image and size of the image from the 2 columns. In the first column, the position of the objects have been given. So you need to basically select from the options given. You have got 20 seconds time. Your timer starts now. If you require more time, Do take your time, pause the video, find out your option, then come back to the video. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option A. In fact, we have done the arrow marking also. If the position of the object is at infinity, image will be at focus and it will be point size. If the object is at center of curvature, the image also will be at center of curvature on the other side and the size will be same. If the object is between optical center and focus, it will be a virtual image and enlarged. So your option is option A. Next MCQ. What is the condition for which a convex lens form a diminished image? 4 options given. 10 seconds time. Your time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. Answer is option D. In case the object distance is more than radius of curvature, the image formed will be a diminished image. Next MCQ. A lens has formed a real image of same size. Which statement is true regarding the type of lens and the position of the object? 4 options, 10-second time. Time starts now. Easy one. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is the position is center of curvature and the lens is convex lens. It's option C. Next MCQ. The object has been shown in red color. You need to identify the position of the image from the options given A, B, C, D. 15 seconds time. Time starts now. In case you require more time, do take your time, pause the video. Once you have done, come back to the video. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option C. Look at the ray diagram also given at the left hand side bottom corner. Next MCQ. Again the object has been shown in red color. Here it is a concave lens. You choose the position of the image from the options given A, B, C, D. 15 seconds time. Time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is again option C. Ray diagram also has been given in the left hand side bottom corner. So it's option C here. It is virtual image. Next MCQ. Here two objects have been shown in front of a convex lens. One in red color, another in green color. Now from the options given, you need to choose where the image will get formed, for the red one and for the green one. 15 seconds time. Time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option A. So image will be formed at center of curvature only if the object is at center of curvature, which will be on the other side for a convex lens. And the green one, that is at focus, so image will be formed at infinity. Next MCQ. Here also the object has been shown in red color, kept in front of a convex lens. Now you need to find out how the image will be. 4 options, 10 seconds time for you. Timer starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is the image will be real, inverted and diminished image. Please see, the object has been placed beyond center of curvature. So it will be real image and size will be lesser than the object. So it will be diminished image. Next MCQ, the last one for this video. The object is shown in red color. You need to find out the position of the image from A, B, C, D. 10 seconds time. Your time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option C. The ray diagram also have been shown. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment on the video. And also press the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video. We will come up with more such videos. Bye bye till then.